Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic Agile principles and mindset. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and software development and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I have a request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, Agile is basically approach or guidelines for software development and how we can implement a project, or you can use how we can use it's basically project management approach. uh, Agile is basically a mindset. It's not only just a methodology, it's basically a mindset that emphasize flexibility, collaboration and customer satisfaction in aiming to deliver value quickly and respond to changes effectively. Basically, when we if you just see the term agile is basically a term used for flexibility. It's not a very strict methodology. It's basically accept changes in a project. Customer satisfaction is more important, customer collaboration is more important, collaboration among the team is very important. So the main focus is that of agile principles and mindset is that we have to deliver a working software to the customer, and now main focus is the delivery, not just on the on the documentation processes and principles. The main focus is that the working software should be delivered to the customer and customer should be satisfied with the delivery. So, the Agile Manifesto, created in 2001 by a group of software developers, outlined the core values and principles of the Agile methodology. So, uh, first thing is the Agile Manifesto values. Friend, first manifesto value is the individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Basically, friend, here the main thing in the agile is that the effective communication and communication among the team member with the customer is more important rather than focusing on the processes and tools. If we just compare it, the agile principles with the waterfall method, like in the waterfall we have to make so many processes, tools, documentation is there, but here in the agile is basically main focus is the human element. Human element means that interaction with the customer, sitting with the team member, talking with them. So the first thing is that it's more important, human element is more important and it creates more values. Then working software over comprehensive documentation. Again, friend, normally what we do in a waterfall method, we make so many documents, like for example the scope document, functional document, design documents, prototyping, etc. However, in the agile is main focus is on the working software. Working software means the software which is working and it creates a value, okay, rather than just focusing on the documentation. So here in the agile is more focus on the working software rather than the documentation like a scope document, fs. It's not the case that there is no such documentation in the agile, but the main focus or main priority in the agile is on the working software. Then customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Again, here the main focus is with the is on the collaboration with the customer, like talking with them, emailing them, sitting with them, having negotiation with them. So contract negotiations are also important, but again the main priority here in the agile is on the customer collaboration, not just the contracts and the agreements. So again main focus is on the human elements, like customer are more important, collaboration with the customer is more important. Then responding to changes over following a plan. Here again the agile is more flexible with respect to changes in the software development projects, because it accept that the changes are inevitable, and whenever we are working for a project, so many changes are coming, and agile is a methodology which welcomes the changes, and agile is not so much strict to accept the changes. Changes are can be more easily accommodated in agile. Then agile principles. Agile principles, there are 12 principles that guide the agile approach. First one is the satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery. So that means whenever we initiate a project at a very early stage, we involve or engage a customer. Changing requirements are more welcome in the agile and agile process. Harness change for the customer competitive advantage. Working software is very important, and we frequently deliver the working software to the customer. Collaboration with the customer throughout the development processes to ensure their needs are met. Like on a like after every 2 to 3 days, we sit with the customer, talk with them, get his feedback. Build projects around motivated individuals, like give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. Here in the agile, teams are more motivated, teams are more competitive, and they can take the decision and authoritative as well. Face to face communication is very important. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Like, we can't say that we have delivered such documents, like for example FS and contracts, etc., but more and the most important thing is the working software. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Technical excellence and good design enhances the agility. Simplicity is also very important. The art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. The architecture, requirement, design emerge for self-organizing team. Here in the agile, teams are self-organized, and the at the regular interval, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behaviors accordingly. So again, agile, if we just see the term agile, that means adjusting yourself according to the path, according to the changes. Then we can talk about agile mindset. Friend, agile is basically approach in which we welcome the change. Main focus is on the customer, what customer is saying, and the most important prioritized person is the customer. Collaboration among the team member, with the stakeholder, with the customer, is very important. Agile is basically focused on the iterative and the incremental development approach, in which we divide the project into smaller and manageable chunks or increments, and continuously delivering working software. Continuously improving the things. With the passage of time, we are improving, we are learning and improving. Empowering means that empower the team members, give them a chance to take the decisions. And adaptability means being responsive to feedback, learning from experience, and adjusting strategies and plans accordingly. So the agile principles and mindset are not limited to software development, and can be applied in various industries and project management contexts to foster agility, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.